Bologna's origin can be traced back to the Italian city of Bologna, where it evolved from its predecessor, mortadella. Despite its common association with the American working class, the journey of Bologna to the US was facilitated by German immigrants. Interestingly enough, places like Canada and Australia also an affinity with this versatile meat. But don't be mistaken, Bologna isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of meat. The regional varieties are as diverse as they are delicious. For instance, German Bologna boasts a robust garlic flavor, while Lebanon Bologna is smoked with a blend of spices. Other versions like Ring Bologna and Sweet Bologna offer unique flavors that challenge the notion of Bologna as a monolithic meat product. Sadly, Bologna has earned a negative reputation as a mystery meat, but rest assured, the USDA has strict regulations on its composition and labeling. Bologna can be made from beef, pork, turkey, chicken, or a mix, and all types of meat and any meat byproducts must be clearly identified on the label. Contrary to popular belief, Bologna is far from bland. It's a flavorful blend of spices like coriander, nutmeg, garlic, celery seed, allspice, and even the distinct flavor of the Mediterranean myrtle berry. This citrusy and rosemary-flavored berry adds a layer of complexity to the taste of Bologna, reflecting its Italian roots. Pronunciation can also be a point of confusion. In the US, the pronunciation of Bologna differs from the Italian city and has even spawned the slang term baloney, synonymous with nonsense. As for health considerations, while it's true that deli meats, including Bologna, may not top the list of healthiest food options, moderation is key. Especially for individuals with health concerns, it's best to limit intake. And for those expecting, concerns about lunch meat are addressed by recommending thorough reheating to mitigate risks. And remember, Spam and Bologna are distinct products with different ingredients and processing methods. So, in summary, Bologna is more than just a lunchtime staple. With its rich history, regional variations, strict USDA regulations, flavorful ingredients, and unique pronunciation, it's time to give this misunderstood meat the recognition it deserves. Remember, moderation is key, and always heat thoroughly if you're expecting. And lastly, don't be fooled. Spam and Bologna are not the same thing. Before we wrap up this deep dive into the world of Bologna, let's not forget the hub of all these tasty facts and culinary explorations, Kelvin's Kitchen. Our channel is a smorgasbord of content, from uncovering the truths about your favorite foods, as we've done today with Bologna, to sharing mouth-watering recipes that you can try at home. If you've enjoyed this video and want to continue on this delicious journey with us, make sure to like this video, share it with your fellow food enthusiasts, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us to keep digging into the fascinating world of food and to share our discoveries with all of you. So make sure you don't miss out on any of our food facts, recipes, and culinary adventures. Subscribe to Kelvin's Kitchen today and stay hungry for knowledge.